Hello, darling. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on Poppo Live without wasting any time. This is super easy and I'll guide you step by step so you won't get confused. First, make sure you go to the app. Store and search for Poppo Live, double-check your spelling so you don't run into the wrong app. Once you've found it, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates are important because sometimes older versions don't have all the features, including the watch history. After updating, simply open the Poppo Live app. Next, go to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, scroll down a little and you'll see an option called Watch History. Tap on it, and here you can see all the live videos you've watched in the past. You can also select any video to rewatch it directly from here. Now, in my case, I don't have any watch history because I haven't watched any videos yet. But that's okay. This tutorial is here to show you how it works, so you'll be ready whenever you do watch videos. And that's it for this video, darling. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay amazing.